sneeze, we'd be like, "Hurrah!" I would make such a big deal about sneezing.
So I also sneeze really loudly, and I'm also an American. And this made me wonder, because sneezing loudly is not something that I thought of as a choice. I thought of it as like a biological imperative. And so it's very exciting to me to learn that sneezing loud is not the only option. And now I'm really curious about how people sneeze in other countries. How do they sneeze in Japan? How do they sneeze in the Czech Republic? If you want to share your sneeze, your country sneeze, I'd love to see it.